Hello, happy people. I'm back with day 2 of my 12 Days of Swatchmas series. And in today's video, I'm going to be swatching some gel polishes that I got from Shein. This is a brand that I've seen a lot of people swatch. I think it's pronounced Xeijai. But they have some really beautiful colors. I got some glitters and I got some pastels from Shein a little while ago. So I'm going to be swatching a 12-piece collection and a 6-piece collection. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned for day 2 of my 12 Days of Swatchmas series. Hello, happy people. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be testing out some new gel polishes that I recently hauled in my most Shein nail supply haul. If you all missed that video, I am going to link it down in the description box below so you guys can check it out. But I got some gel polishes in from Shein and I'm super excited to try them out. So these are the first set of polishes that I got. These are some really gorgeous glitter polishes, you guys. And I don't know how to say the name of this brand. It's called Xejayi, I'm not sure, but it came with 6 different polishes. It came in a set. I believe it was under $10 if I'm not mistaken. They're 15 ml. One of the things I love about them, excuse the boxes, I've already opened these for my unboxing video, but look at these bottles, you guys. Absolutely love it. And like I said, they are 15 ml bottles, so I just love how big they are and how beautiful the packaging is. So I'm going to get all these unboxed and we'll get to swatching, okay? And I do think the boxes that they come in is really pretty too. Like, yeah, that's really nice for like an affordable gel polish. I'm impressed. And I'm going to show you guys the colors up close and then we'll get to swatching, okay? So the first color we have here is 001. Oh, and this is just a really beautiful blue shimmer glitter. And when I say it reminds me of the ocean, like how beautiful. And one of the other things that I really appreciate about these polishes is the fact that the brush is rounded. Do you guys see that? That's going to make for a really nice, easy application. So I love that. So that's the first color, 002. Ooh, and this is a really beautiful, like iridescent, milky color that has like the shimmer, like the fine glitters. That has fine glitters that have like a chameleon reflect. Really pretty. 003. Ooh, this is really pretty. Similar to the last color, but the reflex are kind of bluish purple. 004. Oh, very, very gorgeous. It's like a milky white that has like purple iridescent colors in it. Really, really gorgeous. They kind of remind me of like fairy polishes in a sense. 005. Ooh, this is pretty. This one has more of like a greenish bluish shift, and it has like a pink undertone to it. Again, these really remind me of like fairy polishes. These are really gorgeous. And last but not least, we have 006. Ooh, and this here has like more of a mauve-y undertone to it with the chameleon glitters. So let's get the swatching, you guys. 001. Very gorgeous. Wow. Yeah, this color is really pretty. So these are like some jelly shimmer colors. And the application is absolutely beautiful. They're really smooth and nice, easy to work with. That angled brush makes it nice and easy to get right into that curve right there. Y'all see this? Self-levels beautifully. Love it. I'm liking this brand so far. 002. Ooh, that's pretty. I am really liking this brand so far. These feel like some nice, high quality products, you guys. It feels like a luxe brand, if I'm being honest. Like, look at this performance. Absolutely gorgeous. 003. I mean, yeah. Do y'all see how beautiful these are? I wonder what these would look like on a black background. I feel like they would show up a little bit better over black. So I'm gonna see if I can find my black swatch sticks and we're gonna swatch them on black as well, okay? But these are absolutely gorgeous. 004. Very pretty. Yeah, it's really hard to tell what's happening with the polishes without, I feel like, a black background. So I am going to swatch these again over black. But these just perform so beautifully. I like these a lot. 005. Ooh, that's pretty too. There you guys. These colors are gorgeous. I'm going to definitely have to go in with 2 coats of them to get them to show up a little bit better here on camera. But yeah, it's a wow for me. They are really, really pretty. 006. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I'm loving these polishes. These would be really nice toppers as well to really any polish, any color polish you want to put it over. These would be some really cool toppers. Alrighty, so I did get some more polishes from this brand. I am super excited because those other ones performed very nicely. And this is a 12-piece set of gel polishes that were like that were pastel. So let me go ahead and give you guys up closest of these, and then we'll get to swatching. Okay. Okay, so this is what these look like. It's kind of weird though because the outside of the box say one brand, but then the inside says another. So I'm not 100% sure if this is the same brand or not. I don't think it is. But let's go ahead and look at all these colors. So the first one here is 001. Okay. And this is a really beautiful soft pink pastel. And this set was only, I think this set was only $4 on Shein, you guys. So I was really excited to get my hands on it. And the bottles are 7.3 ml. 002. Ooh, really beautiful peachy pastel. 003. Oh, lovely. This is a really nice soft lavender, like light lilac color. 004. A really pretty soft pastel blue. It's really nice, like baby blue color. 005. This is a really nice, pastel muted olive green color. I don't think I have anything like this in my collection. 006. Oh, this is a really beautiful kind of a teal blue, like a light teal blue, really pretty. 007. Oh, nice. This is a really beautiful green, a little bit deeper, a little bit more opaque of a green than the previous one. 008. This is a really beautiful light pastel orange color. That's really nice. 009. Ooh, this is a really nice deep mauve-y purple. I like this one a lot. I like the undertones of that. 010. This color actually did spill in the box, so don't know if all of that's in there or not. I think it's only half full. But this is a beautiful orange color. It's like a slightly deeper orange color. It's like a slightly deep pastel orange color. 011. Ooh, this is a really beautiful light pastel yellow. It's really pretty. These colors would be perfect for the springtime. 012. There's a really beautiful, bright, kind of summery, peachy pink color. All right, y'all, let's get to swatching. 001. Okay, these polishes definitely feel different than the other ones, so I don't think these are the same ones. But they still perform pretty decent. I think the coverage is, it's pretty good for a pastel color, right? I mean, I don't think we expect pastels to be super opaque to begin with, but yeah, it's pretty nice. It self-levels nicely. It's of a thinner consistency though. 002. Not bad at all. Again, I'm not used to working with polishes of a thinner consistency, but these don't seem to be too bad to work with. Yeah, coverage is decent. Definitely need 2 coats of coverage though. 003. Ooh, now I like this one. Now this one feels a little bit thicker actually, and it's a little bit more opaque. So maybe the consistencies are inconsistent for each color, because this one feels like it's nice, opaque, and creamy. It's a little bit thicker. You see how that one looks more opaque than the previous one? 004, yeah. So 03 and 04, I feel like are of a different consistency. Like these are actually thicker of a polish than the first few that I swatched. So they're thicker and more opaque. So I will say that the consistencies between the polishes are not the same, which is interesting. But they do self-level beautifully. 005, that's a pretty green. I like how soft this green is. This is a green that I think will be cool if you're doing some ombre fatigue nails and you need like different shades of green. This would be a beautiful one to add to that design. Yeah, I like this a lot. It's very beautiful. Look at that. 006. Ooh, this is a really beautiful teal blue. slash green color. I really like this. Yeah, okay, everything except for the first few polishes seem to perform a little bit better and be of a better consistency, like a thicker consistency. So I'm definitely liking the rest of these polishes so far. Look at that. Now that's opaque. That is opaque. I like that. 007. Okay, now this one feels thinner. So yeah, the consistency of these polishes are not even across the board for each color. It's thinner, but it seems to be a little bit more opaque than the first two I tried, but it's a really, really pretty green. 008, very nice. It's a really pretty orange color, you guys. Loving it. Loving it. Look at that. Again, still of a thinner consistency, but I do like this color a lot, okay? 009, ooh. I really like this mauve color too. Really happy I got this collection. I think it's a good variety in here. Especially if you're talking about the spectrum of like pastels and some nudes. Yeah, that's pretty, look at that. Yeah, I like this a lot. Color's gorgeous. 010. Okay, now this one's of a thicker consistency. Yeah, it's like hit or miss, you guys. Some of them are thin, some of them are thick. But, you know, with 2 coats of coverage, it'll perform really well. It'll look nice and opaque. See, this was 1 coat of coverage. Look at that. 011. Pretty. Nice, pretty yellow pastel. Very nice. I love that. 012. Yeah, and this one's more of a thinner consistency. Yeah, that's interesting. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with 2 coats of coverage with all of the gels, and then I will be right back. Yeah, it's a really pretty kind of peachy color here. Alrighty, so this is what all of the gel polishes from this collection look like swatched out. This is 2 coats of coverage plus a top coat, and it's absolutely beautiful. So let me go ahead and give you guys up closes of what they all look like. The first color here is 001, and it's this really beautiful shimmery aqua blue color. I just absolutely love the way this color looks. And to give you guys an idea of what it looks like on a black background, that's what this would look like swatched out underneath a black. So to definitely give it a little bit more opacity and make it have a lot more personality to it. So that is the first color, 002. It's a really beautiful shimmery milky white that has that chameleon greenish blue shift to it. This is really gorgeous. And then again, to see what it would look like swatched out underneath the black, that's the type of pop that it would give that color. 003 is another milky shimmery white. It kind of looks like that first color. It kind of looks like this color, but with a blue base. So that's what that looks like. And this here shows what it's looking like underneath a black background. Really, really gorgeous. The next color we have here is 004, which is this really beautiful milky white that has that purpley pink shift to it. That's also really gorgeous. This is what this color looks like with a black background. Again, that black background really just gives these colors a nice little pop. So that's what that looks like. 005, which is this really beautiful milky white chameleon. And this one has that greenish bluish shift to it. It looks very similar to 002, but that's what that looks like underneath the black background. Again, really pretty, gives it the pop it needs. This here is what 002 and 005 look like side by side. This is what they look like side by side. This is 002, this is 005. They look pretty similar, but this one looks like it has more of a creamier base to it, and 005 has more greenish shift to it. And then last but not least is 006. And this is really pretty too, because this base is kind of like a mauve, like a milky mauve color, but also that same chameleon greenish bluish shift to it. And this is what it would look like on a black background. So I definitely think swatching it out or painting these colors over a black background gives them the nice pop they need. And I also think these colors will all look really, really beautiful as toppers over just any like regular color. So yeah, I'm really happy that I snagged this collection from Shein. If it's still available, I'll definitely leave a link down in the description box below. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the next collection. This here is what this beautiful pastel collection looks like. I am really like obsessed with how pretty these colors are. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what they look like up close. And again, that brand was, what is it called? Rio Fian, I guess is how you say it. But this here is the first color, which is 001, absolutely gorgeous pastel pink. 002, which is this really beautiful, really light pastel peach color. 003, a really beautiful light lavender, pastel lavender color. 004, which is this gorgeous baby blue, light blue. Next color here is 005, which is this really nice, very light kind of olive green color. 006, which is this really beautiful teal blue. 017, which is this really pretty pastel green. 008, which is this gorgeous light pastel orange. 009, this is a really beautiful nude base color. I really like how this looks as like a nail bed color. So I'd be interested to try like some French tip nails with this color. This might be one of my favorite colors from this whole collection. I just think it's such a pretty nude. So this is 009. 010, which is this really beautiful light orange. 011, which is a gorgeous light pastel yellow. Again, super pretty, soft, dainty. All these colors are just perfect for the springtime. And then last but not least, we have 012, again, which is a really beautiful light pastel peachy pink color. So yeah, you guys, I love this collection. I feel like it would be very fitting and get a whole lot of use during the springtime. And so yeah, I do actually really enjoy the gel polishes from Shein. I think they're definitely worth giving a try, if nothing else. I have tried a couple of gel polishes from Temu, and I think with those it's been a definite hit or miss, but with these two collections that I've tried here from Shein, I'm very happy with. So and they were very affordable. Like I said, this whole pastel collection was only $4. And I'm going to go ahead and leave both of these collections linked down in the description box below, so if you guys are interested, you can definitely get your hands on it. But yeah, I am going to be interested to try some more products from Shein. I did get their spider gel collection, and so I'm hoping to haul that and get that swatched out for you guys soon, or at least like demo it for you guys, because I've actually not worked with a lot of spider gel, so I'm excited to kind of try those out a little bit more. But yeah, you guys, let me know which collection was your favorite. I actually love them both, and even now that I'm thinking about it, I want to try these two blues together and see what that looks like. See, look how that looks. You see how like this, like if I put that blue, if I put this as a topper over that baby blue, how it gives it just like a whole nother shift to it. That's really pretty. So yeah, I really think that this collection will be really cool as toppers, as well as, you know, colors if they're swatched out on a good black background, give it that pop that it needs. But yeah, so these two collections actually complement each other quite nicely, because even this 004 with this 001, look how that looks. How cute is that? Look, I wasn't even trying to match these two collections together, and here we go. And this one, since it has kind of that mauve nude base, let's see what it looks like over this really cute nude. Look at that. That's cute, y'all. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so yeah, if you wanted to, you could actually buy these two collections together. I think they make a really good pairing. But yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think about it. I love both of these collections, and I'm happy to have them. We do have more Shein hauls on the way, so definitely stay tuned to the channel for that. They've really expanded their website and got some really cool products in. So yeah, and again, in case you missed this original unboxing, I am going to leave this Shein haul linked down in the description box below as well. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye!